Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to turn on indicators on Pocket Broker application. So first of all, launch Pocket Broker app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now once you're on the home page of Pocket Broker account, you'll see three dots icon on your screen. Tap on it. From here again, tap on the three horizontal lines. With that, the indicators category will be opened. From here, you can choose any of the indicators you wish to use. So you can see star icon beside each and every indicator. Once you have decided which indicator you wish to choose, tap on the star. For now, I'm going to choose this option of momentum. With that, you will successfully be able to turn on indicator on your Pocket Broker application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.